kinds of good stuff. Am I hungry? Think I'll go in and fill up. Phooey. Clothes. And just when I'm in the mood for food. That's the stuff for me. Clothes. Why don't somebody open a restaurant in this town? We specialize in stuffing birds. Oh, boy. That's my meat. And he's open, too.
Good morning. May I help you?
Yeah. How about a menu?
I beg your pardon.
A menu. M-E-N-Y-O-U-U. Menu.
Perhaps you mean our price list.
Yeah. What's your ceiling prices? Kinda high, ain't they? Oh, well, I feel like a little shrimp today.
Could be. We all have our off days.
Cut out the smart crack and bring me some food. Bring me some French fried soup and a big T-bone steak smothered in pork chop. And, now let's see what else I have.
$100,000. Women. Motor cars. Women. Yachts. Women. Mansions. Women.
Hey, Jughead! Bring me my food!
Oh, yes, food. Oh, yes, first, certainly. Fix you right up.
Hot diggity dog. Soup.
Yes, we call it blackout borscht. I broke my window hand.
Fifth floor, hardware, nickelware, woodenware, silverware, underwear, going up.
$100,000. Mansion. Yachts. Women.